So today we're going to automate our first video game to play itself. We're going to be automating Sonic the Hedgehog, one of my favorite games. And to do that, we're going to go to the Windows icon, the Windows button on the bottom of the screen, left side of the screen, and I'm going to write Python. This time you do not want this black icon. You actually want the second one. It's called IDLE. So make sure you click on that. It's going to show you this white window. This is what you want. You don't want the black screen. And we're going to click File, New File. And I'm going to add the code I've already written just to show you today. So I've kind of, this one's a lot easier to write in. You can actually just go and edit it like a notepad or a Word document here. I can go and click everywhere. So at the start of my script here, I import time because I want to be able to control the time. And then I import PyAutoGUI because I want to automate the keyboard and the mouse. Well, today's just the keyboard. What I'm going to do here is I'm recommending that you pause it and you copy down these commands that I have here onto your file. And then once you have that, click on Control S to save your file, and then save your file in your document somewhere. Once you save a file, you'll notice at the top here, this one's called sonic2.py. A Python file has the extension .py. And let's just run it and see what happens. So when I click on Run, and I click on Run Module, and I click on my screen here, you can see that my guy is moving, and he keeps just moving and moving and moving and moving, which is perfect. It's what kind of what we wanted. And just so my guy doesn't die here, I'm just going to click on pause and pause the game. So let's look at this code. At the start of my code, I want my my computer to sleep for, I want to wait 3 seconds. And the reason why I start my code by waiting 3 seconds is because I want time to get to my game. Once I get to my game, I want the PyAutoGUI to start sending down the right key. So it's going to press down the right key. It's going to keep holding it down. So it can turn into some pretty weird stuff. If you ever want to like put your key up so you're not actually pressing down on it anymore, just copy paste your line and write up. This is just a reminder that Python is pretty unforgiving, so you do want to make sure that you use your uppercase and lowercase properly and you're typing the words again properly. In this case, what's happening is I'm telling to press down on the right key and to wait 1 second. And then afterwards, press down on the S key. And if you look at the controls here, S is my A button, so that's my jump. And then wait half a second before letting it go back up. So here, these 3 lines that you see tells my character to jump for half a second. If you wanted to jump for a full second, you could change this time here to 2 seconds. And here you go. You're pressing down on the jump key for 2 seconds. Let's say you wanted to only press the right key for 2 seconds. Well, it's the same idea. You're going to change this S here to right. And then you can change your time to 2. And then you're going to say, put the right key up. You can like artificially make a key be pressed down, any key on your keyboard. On the document that I had on Google Classroom, there's a link to this page. And this page has all of the keys that you can press. And it also has some other kind of secrets. If you want to go take a peek at the documentation, it might make automating the video game a lot easier. So here is your challenge for today. Your challenge for today is to use the link in the assignment to get to the Sonic game and see if you can automate a level to play itself. use the commands like key down and time.sleep to get the game to play itself.